Welcome to our junior problem solvers session lesson for now. We are going to start with which one doesn't belong activity. Now, as you know this one, I show you for object, for operations, and you say one of them is different than others. Okay, now raise your hand and tell me what you think which one doesn't belong. Yes, Namık?
I think it's 8 plus 7.
Why do you think 8 plus 7 doesn't belong?
Because all the others equal 14.
Yes, 14, this one is 15, this one is 14. That is correct. 8 plus 7 doesn't belong because the other sum 14, this is 15. That's good. Yes, Sare?
I think 7 plus 7 doesn't belong
Because
it's the only number that's adding up to the same number, like 7
correct.
plus 7.
Exactly. Two addends, we call the addends. When you add two numbers, they call the addends. Two addends, two numbers are the same, the others are different. Correct. That's good way of approaching second solution. What about third solution? You can be creative. You can say anything and you can make a reasoning. If you say something, a good reason, then it will be acceptable. What about 9? What about 5 plus 9? Yes, Mustafa.
I think I agree with you because that's the only one with all odd numbers, but only odd numbers, but there is still 7 plus 7, but there's still doubles. They
Double.
still have
Yes.
the same number.
Yes, 7 plus 7 is the only two even numbers. Oh no, sorry, two odd numbers, right?
Yeah, but they're still the same number, so I don't think it will really count.
Okay,
so I think 5 plus 9 is not.
This is odd. This is odd. This is even. This is even. This is even. This is odd. I would say 7 plus 8 doesn't belong because the others the same are even, odd, but this is odd even. That's why that could be another solution, right?
Yes. Yeah, it could.
Good. Zeynep, you're raising your hand. Go ahead.
I'm not really counting about the evens or odds, but maybe 7 plus 7, because that's the only one which has the two same numbers.
Correct. Which is same reason with Sarah, right? That's great. You are right. Exactly. Right. And then can you say also this one doesn't, because this is the smallest one, the largest one, right? Smallest and largest. That's another reasoning that is acceptable. Fourth solution and fifth solution, right? Because the 5 plus 9 doesn't, because only one, the smallest and largest number add up together. Great starting. I like it. Everybody now made a comment about this one. Now, let's start from what we left from last week. That's a huge number, but we can do that still. Last week we did until 10, we did until 20. Now this week we are doing until 40. Crazy. Okay, let's see how we add first 40 numbers. That's crazy, but we can do that. What method are we going to use? What method are we going to use? Rainbow method, right? So yeah. should I write every 1 plus 2? First of all, maybe I can write down more numbers. What is going to be each number? What do you think? What is the easy way to add this one? 17, 18, 19, 20, right? Oh, a lot of, and 21. I am going to write this way. 22, right? 23. Oh, I'm going to write this way. Maybe it's better to write that one. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Woo! Okay, what do you observe? What do you notice? Yes. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. What is 1 plus 40? Yes, Mustafa?
41.
41. 41. Mustafa, what is 2 plus 39?
Uh,
41.
it's yeah, 41.
Zainab, what is 3 plus 38?
41.
41. Then Namık, 4 plus 37?
41.
41. You see that and finally, what is 20 plus 21?
41.
Now, blah, blah, blah. How many 41 do you think do I have?
20.
Why 20?
Half of 40.
Half of 40. Then 20 times 41, right? Then that's okay. Maybe it's too big for you, but it's better to do that. 41, 41, 41, blah, 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 blah. How many times? 20 times, right? That's okay. It's better to add this way. This is maybe 6th grade. Can you imagine this one? 4th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade stuff. But no, you understood this one. That's okay to keep this way. 41, 41, 41, and understand how this works. Now it's easy. Maybe it's easier to add 41. Maybe it's going to be, what do you think this sum would be? Can you imagine? What is 10 times 41? And another 10 times 41. Maybe we will be learning multiplication later. But this is, do you have any idea, this one? Maybe that's hard, but possibly 410 plus 410 is going to be what? 820. Whew. That's blow your mind, but not. Let's keep this one not this way, but we understood it. We can use this rainbow method. Let's go back to some nicer and easier and level 2nd grade and 3rd grade question. Now, do you see that today we are going to focus on mostly addition?
Yes.
What do you see? Yes, Zainab. Zainab, what do you think? What 7 plus bucks is 20? What do you think the value of bucks? The first one.
But in the box, I think I do have an answer in the box.
Yes, go ahead. What do you think?
13.
What you have the 7, right? You have 7. To get 20, what number should you think of this the missing numbers, missing part?
I think 13.
How did you get 13?
Okay, so first it showed me those dots, and then I realized that 10 plus 3, 13.
That is exactly very nice approach, and I like your approach. Great way. Then Sare, what is 6 plus? Sorry, 6 plus what number gives you 20?
6 plus
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. What is missing number? So how do you complete this equation? We call this one equation.
I think it's 14.
It's called the equation. Why equation? Because there is an equal sign. Equal sign means equation, right? Then you are right. 14. 6 plus 14 becomes 20. Yes. Then Namık, what do you think? 16 plus what gives you 20? Okay. I can see that.
4.
4, yes. 16 plus 4 gives you 20. Now we are going double digit addition, but we will be doing mentally. We will be doing mental math. Now we are starting doing some mental math. Now my question is to you. What strategy would you try to do 38 plus 37? Doing in your head.
8 plus 37. Okay.
So I want to get multiple different ways to do this one. Okay, first method coming from, let's see, Mustafa.
So first, first I would do like equations. First I do 30 plus 30 equals to 60, and then so like 8 plus 7 would be pretty hard to add together. So I'd say I'll first put the 7 there, which will be 67. But 67 plus 67 plus 3 equals to 70. 70 plus 5 equals 75. So I will break apart 8 to 3 and 5.
I like your idea. Yes, that's great. Thank you for sharing this strategy. So you go that way. You double 30, and you go you after 7, after you break 8 part, 3, 70, and 75. You like to use some friendly numbers. Thank you. And Zeynep, what strategy would you like to use?
First, I did something good. So first I said 30 plus 30, 60. Then I said, okay, 30, 68. Then I said that 7. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So I'll just taking that 2 away from that 7, and then I have 70, and then I add the left 5, which is from the 7, and then I say 75.
Okay, sir, I like your explanation. Can you go after step by step 60, please? 30 plus 30, 60. And what was the next step? Zeynep, what was the next step?
The next, what was the next step again?
30 plus 30 is 60, right? Then?
Yeah. And then I said 30 plus 30 equals 60. And then I said with that 7, wait, no, with that 8, I said 68.
Okay. Very similar way, Mustafa's. Okay, then.
And then I said this.
And you need to add 7, right?
Okay. I added 7 this way. I said 8 plus that 7 has 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So I took that 2 away from that 7, which equals 5 left. And then if I say, what was it?
No, that's good. I like it. And 10.
5 equals 75.
68 plus 2, 70, another 5, 75.
See.
Good job. And Namık, your method?
I did 7 plus 8 first.
Okay, 7
I
plus
remember
3. So you said
I did 7 plus 8 first, and then I remembered 7 plus 7 equals 14, but 8 is just one more, so it made 15. Plus 30 equals 75.
that's great. Now you use directly 7 plus. Does anyone have slightly different method? Yes, sorry.
I know that 30 plus 30 is 60. And then from 60, I just added 8 to it. And then I counted on 7 more. This is terrific.
Okay, plus 7, then 60. Okay, good job. Okay. Now I would like to quickly show you multiple, maybe 5 or 6 different ways. I appreciate you did great job and you touch all of them. The first one is strange one. I know that if I add 38 plus 30, 68, and I add 5, directly 75. And I do similar way, 38 plus 7, 45, and I add an additional 30, 45 plus 30, 75. That's okay. Some students can do this way. Then, nobody did this way, right? I know double 35. What is double 35? Yes, sorry.
That would be 50.
But double 7, double 35, 70. Why? Well, no, double 25 is 50. Double 35 is 70. Then why this method works? Who wants to tell me why I should add 5 more? Why I should add 5 more? Namık? Because I need to add 2 from here and 3 from here, right? Then 2 plus 3 is 5. I have to add. What about the doubling 40? Why I am doing doubling 40? Yes, sorry.
Doesn't make 80.
That makes it easy. Okay, then after, can you explain after the next step? After doubling 40, what happens?
You add 5. You add 2 plus 3, which makes 5, and then you add 5 plus 5, and that would make another 10. So you add a 10 to make 9.
But it's not 9. But do you think it's 5? And why I am taking away from 80? Why? Anybody? Does anyone have an explanation for this strategy 4? Yes, Mustafa.
So I think like 35 plus 35 might be like, I don't know, maybe some people might get confused. I don't know why, but so like you do that so like maybe it's easier for you to add by 10s, but you overdo it.
Overdo
So,
more than,
yeah,
yes. Then I have to compensate. I have to
you add
remove back, right?
Yeah.
Remove.
Yeah, and then you just minus a 5 down to get the answer.
Okay, great. Then the next one, we did, this one is Namık's method, right? Namık, you remember this one? Yes, right? 30 plus 30, 60, 8 plus, 8 plus 7, 15, 60 plus 15, 75. And this method is 40. Oh, this is why we are doing this one. It's called, it's
plus 2. This is just exactly like how I did.
Oh yes, it's because you can when you add, yes, when you add 2 and then you take away 40, 35, and this is 75.
No way, I'm not doing that minus.
Oh yeah, different, a little bit slightly different.
Not wanna do some minuses there.
Minus. What about this one? Oh, somebody did this one, double 7. I think Mustafa, you did double 7 plus 1, right?
Double. Yeah, but maybe, but I didn't do a minus. I didn't do a minus.
Oh, you did double plus, right?
Yeah. First I did like 30 plus 30, which was 60, and I just a 7 plus 8, so I just broke apart the 8 to so I put the 7 and then broke apart the 8 to 3 and 5.
Okay.
Same. So
okay,
mine was pretty different.
Who did 7 plus? Okay, let me just go back to who did the Namık? You did, right?
Yeah.
You double plus 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, can you imagine? We solve one problem is 8 different ways. That's great. Okay, now it's puzzle time. Are you guys ready? Copy down, please, this one.
What?
Let's think.
We have to copy this down.
Yes, please. There is it's starting 1 and unknown number box plus box and 2 plus box. But you have to use 3 once and 1 time, and you replace here to make this equation correct. I like this one. Make this equation correct.
We have to. What if we make it wrong?
We can understand whether we do wrong, or we will discuss. There is nothing should do wrong equation. Sometimes I give full credit, double credit when my students make a mistake. I like it. I like to make a mistake.
Do you also have to make this equation correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Let's say we put numbers here, 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 and we see that, oh wow, that's okay.
Tion equation
Correct. Does anyone have any idea? Namık, yes, go ahead. Because there is more than one solution. That's why I'm allowing you to say there is only not one solution. Yes.
How are you going to use equation including because?
Okay.
1 and 9 equals 19.
Oh, you put 9 here. Okay, let's see. You put 9 here. 19. Okay, let's see. Then
plus 3.
You put 3.
Wait. Never mind.
No way. That's good. Thank you for trying. I like it.
Try if.
Yes.
Okay, so first let me see. At that one box, I will.
But here is one. Oh, sorry. Here's one clue for you. You can put 9 here, or you can put 7.
7 where and 9?
17. Now we use 7.
17. I'll X out that 7 or circle it. Now I have these 3 numbers left, but they're big ones.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I have to. So 17 plus.
Okay, I think I did it.
Yes. Zeynep, go ahead.
Do you have to use all of the numbers?
No, you don't have to use all of the number.
Yay, because I think I did it.
Yes, tell me, please.
If that's close up.
What number we put after 17? 17 plus what?
9.
17 plus 9, Zeynep.
17 plus 9, 26 probably.
Okay, 17 plus 9, 20 what?
26.
Is it correct?
No, I'm gonna check. 17.
No, not quite yet. Right?
No.
Okay, let's try it different. What about 17 plus 6, Zeynep?
Okay, 17 plus 6. 16 plus 7. 16. I have 16.
Oh, they both that's okay. They both work. 17 plus 16. Now I use 17, I use 6, and it's going to be what? Yes, Mustafa?
So is it okay to add a 7 again?
No, we have to use once.
Okay, if I did that, then I will get the answer. because I thought that it was like a 26
I
because of the 7.
Do you think this works?
Math. Yes. 7, 23, 60.
Okay, that's the one way. But there is more than one way.
Does this make sense?
Which one? Zeynep, 17 plus what? 9?
Yeah.
26. Zeynep, let me go do your method. Zeynep, what about this one? 19 plus 7. What's 19 plus 7? We use 9, we use 7. What's 19 plus 7, Zeynep?
Plus 7. 19 plus 7 probably equals 26.
We got it. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay. 17 plus, we got this one, right? What about 17 plus 6? That works as well, right? Does anyone have solution? Any other solution?
17 plus 9.
17. Yeah, this one. 17. Or 17 plus 9 is what?
26.
That works, right?
Yeah.
We don't have to use all numbers, but 3 left over. That's fine because we. What else? What about 19? What about 19 plus 7?
26.
It's still okay.
26
Equation still correct, right?
bordering.
Do you see that there is more than one way? How many ways we found? 4 different ways, right?
Yeah.
Do you think there is one more way, one more solution? Are you ready?
Maybe.
Okay. Now it's your turn. Now, what if I start with 2?
Okay, 20. I'll say 20 plus 20.
No, you have to use one of these numbers. Let's say if you use 29. 29
Okay. 29
plus
plus 1. 29 plus 1. Wait, no. 29 plus 7, maybe. Wait, no. This is not.
You're right. You're right. 29 plus 7. Yes. Equal what? Namık?
36.
I use this one. I use this one. That works, right?
Yeah.
Oh, even 27 plus 9. That also works, right? Do you see that? How many different solutions? What about 29 plus 7? We did this one. Can you imagine? That's crazy. Oh, there is even more. Okay, let's do this one. What if I start with 6?
Okay. 60.
Something. Esma, do you have solution?
1. Maybe.
61, maybe.
Okay.
Maybe let's say 62.
Okay, 62.
I use 2 plus what? I have to use big number, right? To get 70, right? Mustafa?
If only there was a
62 plus, should I use 9? I need to use 9. 62 plus 9.
Yeah.
Is equal to
9 equals 71.
Then that's another solution, right? Wow, do you see that? Crazy. A lot of equation. Oh, even this one. Is it okay? 63?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, even this one. 69 plus 3, 72. A lot of, wow, that's, you see that there's multiple solution and puzzle game. You like it so far? Understood, right? Okay, now let's do another nice puzzle. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The sum of, okay, who, Sare, can you read out loud, please?
The sum of my number is 30. The difference between my number is 4. Which one is correct?
Which one is correct? Which one is correct? A, B, C. The sum of the numbers, 30. You add them together, 30. But difference is, what is the mean? Sorry, what is the difference means? The meaning of the difference. The difference is when you take away or when you subtract numbers, right? Do you, Namık, yeah, Esma, what do you think?
I think it's 17 and 14.
Why? Because what? 17 plus, what's 13 plus 17? Or 17 plus 13?
Wait, Soldi?
What's 17 plus 13 is?
Soldi.
Sorry, 30. Why? Namık, can you explain why 17 plus 13 is 30?
Because 10 plus 10, from the 17, 13 equals 20.
Yes.
Plus 7 plus 3 equals
Yes.
30.
Correct. And then what is 17 minus 13?
4.
4. Then my answer is the second one, the middle one, right?
Yeah.
17 plus 13 is 30. And the difference between these two numbers is 4. You guys, you are doing great today. Now you understood 100%. Now let's see. We have a couple more problems today. Now, do you see that I am adding two numbers? I am adding two numbers, and those two numbers are what those? I am starting with 36. Let's start with 36. Okay, let's start with 36. I am here 36. I jumped 4 more. If I jump 4 more, where am I now?
40.
And if I jump 2 more, where am I now?
42.
2 more. And if I jump another 40,
82.
where am I?
82.
82. Ooh. How much did I jump? Okay, let me just.
80.
Now, what operation would be 36 plus what? 2 plus 4 plus 40. What's 2 plus 40 plus 4 plus 2?
6. 46.
Then the answer is actually what I am doing. I am doing what? This operation, right? Good job. So we are doing kind of addition and other. Okay, can you copy down this one, please?
Okay.
Go ahead.
What? Okay.
Yeah, you copy down this one, and we need to find the value of b, unknown number.
Plus a equals.
Then now we have
3 lessons previously. I will post this one, lesson 4, and people are watching. Thank you for your contribution. And great. And what do we say?
Like
Yes,
and
Sare?
subscribe.
Yes.